Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa. Thank you for stopping by and welcome if you're brand new. I am going to be doing an unboxing today of the Fab Fit Fun box, and this is the winter Fab Fit Fun. I have to tell you that I was very slow in coming to the Fab Fit Fun box because you know, I would see everybody unboxing and nothing was, you know, reaching out and grabbing me and wanting me to subscribe. But the company that I work for has some discounts, and I recently saw that I could get $10 off of the winter Fab Fit Fun box. So I figured, okay, I'll try it. I'll do an unboxing, see what's in there. And I could pick a couple things, and I don't remember what I picked other than some little dewdrop things for your face that are supposed to be good for glowing and stuff. So I'm excited to try that actually. So what I'm going to do basically is, well, not basically, what I'm going to do is open up the box. I haven't even opened it yet. It came earlier this week. And I'm just gonna open it up and we'll start together, and I'll show you and tell you what I think as I look at it. So yeah, here we go. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna open this box up. And I'm going to put my glasses on so that I can see what's in here. I have it upside down. So already I can see that that magazine that everyone talks about is right on top. And it tells you it's winter #2. How your box was curated, 5 ways to boost your workout, and eat seasonally. All right, so I need to boost my workout, so let's see what's in here. This is a little kind of a bag, and I'll open that up more in a second, and I'll look at the book, and it'll surely tell me. This is from Dry Bob Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Everyone needs a good detangle. This is a body boost gel, tone, firm, smooth, pre-workout activator. Okay. How to use: before any workout, apply to trouble areas like the abs, glutes, thighs, and arms in small circular motions and let the tingling begin. The Body Boost Gel features a blend of green tea, ginseng, and menthol to help boost your workouts by targeting problem areas while keeping you visibly smoothed and toned. Okay, if that works, that'd be awesome. Makeup eraser. Yeah, this is something that I did choose. Erase all makeup with just water. Contains 1 makeup eraser cloth. Antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Okay, cool. Cool. That sounds like a really good deal. Free of alcohol, oils, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrances, and sulfates. That's cool. I'll open that up in a second. Thirsty Hands, super hydrating hand mask for tired and dry, no, for dry and tired skin. Okay. I have dry and tired skin. Alright, that's kind of cool. Oh yeah, I think this, yeah, I picked this. This is Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, Condition and Restore. So this is I guess this is for your face, huh? It just says AM and PM, apply an even layer to clean skin. Yeah, I'm excited to try that. I did choose that. So I am excited to try that. And Dead Sea Salt. Yeah, this is for the bath. I might have chosen this too. Whenever your body is in need of a revitalizing charge, look no further than Ahava Dead Sea Bath Salts. Rich in skin-friendly minerals, including magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium, and more. These powerful salts soothe your body with genuine relaxation to a general sense of relief and softening your skin. Immerse yourself in the waters of well-being. Dissolve 1 to 2 packets into a hot bath, soak for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse. You got to consult your doctor if you have high blood pressure. Okay, yeah, but that sounds cool though. I'm looking forward to that. Although it doesn't seem like it's packets. It seems like it's just all loose in there, so. And I think there's one more thing in here. These are those drops. Soft focused glow drops. So I wanted to try those. All right, so let me just see real quick. What if it says the products in here? This is pretty cool though. This talks about ways to boost your workout. Eat before and after, stay hydrated, stretch, follow a routine, embrace the seasons. What's in the box? Okay, so, this is a Sidekick, Voray Sidekick crossbody bag. Hip Hip Voray. The sleek crossbody fits your essentials and is made with durable neoprene, making it weather resistant. Let me just see what this, it feels like it's, a nice little bag to even take, to the grocery store or something like that when you don't want a big huge bag. It's cute. Well, it matches what I have on right now anyway. It's pretty. I like the gray. Obviously, I like gray. So, yeah, I'll show you up close. I don't know, you probably, the hardware and stuff, it's good quality. It's excellent quality. And this makeup eraser, you know what? I wanted to get one of these. Bye Bye Makeup Wipes Forever. Thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes. Soak in warm water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. The warmer, the water. Soak in warm water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. Yeah, it's cool. Exfoliate, I don't know about that, but if it takes off eye makeup, it's very gentle, very soft. And if it eliminates buying wipes, I'm all for it. This one, mist generously on damp hair before blow drying, or spray onto dry bangs, fringe, and re-blow to freshen up your look. That's pretty cool. Dry bar is a good. I'm trying to, I want to see what it smells like. Now, this one looks cool. I'm excited about this actually. So I'm looking at the Glow Drops Ultimate Glow Primer. It's pretty pink. I didn't put any in there right now, but I just want to. Yeah, I can see that it kind of has a sheen to it. It smells nice. It smells kind of clean. The Boost, this is like a tea tree, so I'm sure it's kind of got that tea tree smell. I'm trying not to wreck my nails that I just did yesterday, and I cannot open it. But I'm definitely going to give this a try because I need firming. I need a lot of little firming areas. And, you know, my workouts consist of, right now, taking the stairs instead of the elevator. But no, I do yoga and I do spin, but I got to get myself back into it. It's right here in my house. You'd think, you know, it'd be so easy. And it is. It's just a motivation thing. It's like, I'm too tired. Kate Somerville. I love her stuff. I don't have a lot of her stuff, but I have tried her exfoliate. So I did want to, and I like goat milk. Okay, it has no scent, which is good. And it feels good. Moisturizing cream. You know, it's another moisturizing cream that I can give it a try, and I will. And the thirsty hands. Apply to clean, dry hands. Remove and unfold the gloves from the foil packaging. Slip them onto your hands and fasten around the wrist. Sit back and relax. You can scroll on your phone whilst you wait. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the gloves and gently pat in the excess essence. I'll try. And I will try these. It doesn't say, it says 1 to 2 packets, but these aren't in packets. This is all loose. So I guess just put in a couple in there. Well, you know what? That was my unboxing of the Winter Fab Fit Fun. I think that it was kind of what I expected in terms of, you know, products to try. I definitely got full size products. You know, the dry bar one and the wipe, definitely full size. This cloth, if I can get many years use out of this, will be well worth the money. The detangler is looks like full size. I mean, these ones aren't usually that big. I mean, this is gonna last a while. This looks like full size. And the Kate is full size, and these drops are definitely full size. So I believe that I paid $39. I think these are $49.99 or something like that. $49.95. I had a $10 off, so I gave it a shot. I do like the products. I'm not sure I'll do it again though. Just because I think getting so many of these products are just gonna like accumulate and clutter the bathroom. And I really think that, because I have so many masks and stuff, and I used one of the City Beauty masks that I got in the B-Style box, and I did really like it. I used it when I soaked in the tub for about 20 minutes, put it on, and it felt great. When I took it off, I didn't have to rinse it. I just kind of patted it in, and I loved it. The thing for me is finding the time to, sit with a mask and sit or soak in the tub. I mean, I do, especially in the wintertime, like to try to soak in the tub and, sorry, I just took my heels off and realized I would just get shorter there for a second. Yeah, so I don't know. I think I'm going to suspend this and not get the next one. I may try a different box to unbox. I know that I am going to be getting a trunk club in the spring, and I will show you what's in that. I do the trunk club maybe twice a year. So I will do that in the spring. I am anticipating that. And the B-Style box I will definitely be unboxing again. My friend just sent me a link to another box that's kind of mindful. It's like got kind of mindful stuff in there, like probably probably like incense and stuff like that. I don't do the incense thing. My daughter does though, so I could possibly pass that stuff along to her. So yeah. I don't think I'll do another Fab Fun for a bit. I may do another one seasonally, but I'm not going to get them every quarter. So that's my unboxing for today. I will let you know if there's some product that I really, really love that I definitely want to recommend, because I am going to be doing that in the future, talking about products that I've used that I love. And I have quite a few lined up for you. I just haven't gotten there yet. But thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you'll subscribe or give it a thumbs up or both. And let me know your comments. Thanks. I look forward to talking to you guys again soon. Take care. Bye.